Welcome friends towards my new video, which is about how to get the bamboo wood set in Minecraft 1.19.3 snapshot 22W42A. And what are the crafting recipes for bamboo block set in Minecraft? Yes. So these are the recipes. The things we require are mosaic, 1 into 2 bamboo slabs stacked vertically, button, one bamboo plank block in the top left of the crafting grid, door, 6 bamboo plank blocks placed in a 2 by 3 vertical stacks, and then we need a fence, 1 into 2 bamboo plank stacks which are placed vertically with a vertical 1 into 2 stack of sticks between them, and then we need a fence gate. This one follows almost the same formula as the fence, however here are the bamboo planks which are stacked in the center and the sticks are placed on the outside of them. And the next thing which need is planks, 4 pieces of bamboo placed in a square shape 2 by 2, and pressure plate is required. 2 bamboo planks placed next to each other in a 2 by 1 row, and then we need a sign, 6 bamboo planks in a 3 by 2 row with one stick in the bottom center of the crafting grid. Then the required thing is a slab, 3 bamboo blocks which are placed across the center of the crafting grid in a 3 by 1 row. Then we require are the stairs, 6 bamboo blocks organized in a stair shape with a 1 by 3 column, a 1 by 2 column, and a 1 by 1 column in descending order. Then we require a trap door, 6 total bamboo plank blocks which are placed in a 3 by 2 rows on the crafting grid. I hope that you will like the video, then it is requested to please subscribe to my channel.